All right. There we go. Sorry. All right. These are here we are at the St. Elizabeth Hospital, CHI Health, St. Elizabeth Hospital garage or parking garage, Lincoln, Nebraska. These are OTIS Series 1 from 2001. How many years?
2001 would be 25 years.
So let's get the left card. This one has a diener. So here we go. Here we go. We got the diener.
Come right back down.
Okay, let's go at 5. Oh. Why is the phone lit? What's hydraulic? You can see the parking garage is still thunderstorm outside. Rain clouds. Let's go down to 1. Can you? It's nice for a parking garage elevator. Nothing too special here. These are the fixtures, Series 1 fixtures. It's an OTIS. Floor indicator, OTIS. Elevator number 1, identical to the one in the Medical Plaza. This one has 3,500 pounds, 1588 kilograms, 21 people. Whoa. Oh. Oh, Dad. Oh, look what happened to the emergency phone. Let's see what happened. But go show me. Oh, I want that car. Send up to 3. Oh, it just went up. I don't want to film this one because it doesn't have a diener.
Oh, it doesn't have a meter?
Yeah. See, these buttons kind of like a Escalator Geek AA1, Series 1 fixtures.
4 floors? 4 floors?
5 floors for the parking garage.
Okay, here it is.
Here it is.
Now wait.
Now wait.
See if somebody's coming off.
Come off the elevator. See?
You always have to wait. You know
Okay.
when you come off.
Okay, gonna show you.
Okay, show me quickly. What?
Oh no!
Oh,
Why is the blinking light?
no. Yeah.
That's a fail.
It's out of service.
That's an emergency phone out of service.
Okay. Is that it?
That phone's silly.
Yep. Okay.
That's why I call Jimmy Epic Phone Fail.
That's it. I'm actually cold now. Okay.
Okay?
Yummy.
Alright, that's it.
That's it.